God, not by the church, as my power is divine.